US approves ATACMS for Ukraine amid escalation.
Before details, please subscribe our CISNewsStudio1s channel. News details.
President Biden's decision to allow Ukraine to use U.S.-made Army tactical missile systems ATACMS against targets in Russia reflects a familiar pattern of initial hesitation followed by approval. While these missiles, with a range of up to 300 kilometers, expand Ukraine's strike capabilities, analysts caution that the limited supply may not significantly alter the war's trajectory. This decision comes as Kyiv employs cheaper drones for deep strikes and amidst concerns over escalating provocations. The White House links its approval to Russia's recent military cooperation with North Korea, signaling a response to growing global stakes in the conflict.
Do not forget to subscribe our CIS News Studio 1s channel and click the bell button to receive updated news.